Welcome to our tutorial on how to protect your Excel workbook with a password. Password protection is crucial for safeguarding your sensitive data and preventing unauthorized access. In this video, we'll explore how to set passwords to open and edit your workbook. First, I will create a new workbook in Excel. And we'll open the Save As dialog box to save workbook for the first time. Select your file location and enter a workbook name. We'll proceed with the default file location and name this workbook Example02. Click on Tools in the Save As dialog and select General Options. In the General Options, enter a password to open the workbook and a password to modify it. This ensures both levels of protection. You will be prompted to re-enter both passwords for confirmation. After saving, close the workbook to finalize the password protection. To verify, open the workbook again by going to File, Open, and selecting Example02 from recent workbooks. You'll be prompted to enter the password to open the workbook. Next, enter the password to modify the workbook. You also have the option to open a read-only copy if you choose. Protecting your Excel workbooks with passwords is a vital step in securing your data. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Excel, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor.